Let's see the aggregate functions in Oracle SQL. These are built-in functions to find the total or sum, average, and etc. on a group of records. Okay. Say let's find the total salary of the company. So select sal, say sum, command is sum, and say sal. Okay, from EMP semicolon. This will find the total or sum of the salary column will be total and will be given as a single value for you. So the total salary of the company is 29,025 rupees. Okay, so in that case, what is the average? We say AVG bracket average sal of a company. So this gives you the average sal. Okay, that is 2073. But what is the maximum salary? What is the maximum salary in the company? Who is getting? Who is getting? What is the value of the maximum salary? So it is 5,000. Somebody is getting 5,000 in the company as a maximum salary. Okay, what is the minimum salary of the company? It's minimum 800. So somebody is getting 800 as a salary, as a minimum salary in the company. Okay, and see how many persons are working in this particular company. See count star. So there are 14 persons working in this company. Okay, but if I say what is the salary or average salary, maximum and minimum, and count of the persons or of the employees who is working in only in department 10. This is all the department, right? I'm talking about only in department 10. So in that case, we put a where clause where department DEPT number is equal to department number is equal to 10 semicolon. So in department 10 we have 8,750, then average salary is 2,916, maximum is 5,000 and minimum is 1,300, and count there are 3 persons who is working in department 10. So maximum is 5,000 is the maximum salary. Some employee is getting, okay, some employee is getting 5,000 as a salary in department 10. And what is the minimum salary? 1,300. This is some person, okay, an employee may be getting it. Okay, similarly the total salary altogether is 8,750, which is allotted to department 10. Now if I say department 20, department 20, 10,875 is the total salary, and the average salary is 2,175, and the maximum salary is 3,000, and the minimum salary is 800. Somebody is getting it. Okay, and the count how many numbers of person are working in it, or how many employees are working in department 20. That is 5 persons or 5 employees. Okay, now what is the department 30? Let's say 30. So there are 9,400 is the total salary of department 30, and what is the average? 1,566 point something. Maximum salary given to a particular person in department number 30 is 2,850, and the minimum salary which is given to an employee in department 30 is 950, and the total employees working in department 30 is 6. Can you tell me how many clerks are working? how many clerks are there in our company, and what is their total salary, what is the average, and what is the maximum salary given to the clerks, and what is the minimum salary given to the clerks, and how many clerks are there in our company. So we say job, right? Job is equal to clerk. So there are 4,150 is the total salary given to clerks in our company, and 1,037 is the average salary given to a clerk. So what is the maximum salary given to a clerk? The maximum salary given to a clerk is 1,300. And what is the minimum salary given to a clerk? 800 rupees. And how many clerks are there in the company? There are 4 persons. There are 4 employees who are working as clerks in the company. Then what about managers? There are 8,275 rupees is given as a total salary to the managers of the company. Total salary. So altogether we give for all the managers, okay, all the salary, which includes all the total salary of the managers, okay, is totals to 8,275. Well, the average salary comes to 2,758, and the maximum salary given to a manager is 2,975, and the minimum salary given to a manager is 2,450, and there are 3 managers working in our company. Okay, what about salesman? So there are 5,600 is a total salary which is given to a salesman. What is the average salary? 1,400. Maximum salary of a salesman is 1,600. The minimum salary of a salesman is 1,250 rupees, and there are 4 salesmen working in the company. Correct? But if I say how many I want the total sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count, etc., from the EMP table where the job is salesman and who is working in department 30, okay, or in department 20, say department number DEPT number is equivalent to 10, say A and D. Okay, so this says that where department number equal to 10 and the job is salesman, there is no persons, right? But is the clerk is the okay, there is one clerk, okay, there is one clerk. The maximum salary given to that clerk is 1,300, average 1,300, the max is 1,300, minimum is 1,300. But if I say the clerk in department 20, there are 2 persons who are working in department 20 as clerk, and the sum total is given, total salary given to this clerk is 1,900, average salary 950. Now what is the maximum salary given to an employee as clerk in department 20? It's 1,100. And what is the minimum? 800 rupees is given to a person who is working as clerk in department 20. So this way we can find the average, sum, maximum, minimum, and count of different persons of a group of records, okay, or employees, okay, just like sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count. For more information, we'll get into the next session.